Okay, everybody, so this is the boat. It is a 1979 Mark Twain 24-foot cuddy cabin. It's got the 260 Merc Cruiser with the inboard-outboard drive. Overall, the hull is in really nice shape. There are a few things that I'm going to have to take care of, and I'll show you some of that now. Just going down the hull and the cuddy cabin windows. So up here on the bow, there's some scrapes. I don't know whether they ran aground or hit a log or something, but there's a few spots like that. No, that's probably the worst one. And so I'll be fixing some fiberglass. And then up here, I don't know whether you can see that or not, on the nose, that's better. There was a ding there too. So the Mark Twain brand is no longer in existence. They were a Midwest boat. And from the 60s until the early 90s, they were known as the Queen of the Lake. They were very popular in the Midwest, not so much on the coast because they didn't have any distribution out on the coast, but they were very, very well made. They were had some quality items that the cheaper boats never did have. But that ended up being their demise because cheaper boats like Lastron and Bayliner ended up putting them out of business. So what I found in doing my research is that because they're such a good boat, I felt really good about putting all this time and money into it because it was the bones were good, as they say. So let me take you on board. Okay, so here we are on board. As I said, it's a 1979, so it's 40 years old right now, and it sure as heck looks it with the color scheme. The orange and the kind of striped, nondescript color there on the carpet is all very dated. Here's the engine box, and I'll show you the engine in a little bit. There's certainly 40 years worth of wear. I do have a nice teak floor hatch there. I put the plywood down so I could start working on the hatch. Got some issues with that. It's got rod holders there on each side. The nice touch, but it takes up a lot of room, is the cabinet there. And on the passenger seat, if I can show you this, it's stuck. There we go. It has a table that pops out and some storage on this side, and actually a refrigerator underneath the helm station. Kind of nice. I don't know if it works, but it's kind of gross inside, so it'll be going. The helm station, it's all there. That's one of the things that I liked about this boat, is it hasn't been torn apart, so anything that I need to do, I'll have the starting point to be the original. Some old electronics, have no idea what works and what doesn't. There's a Lowrance fish finder and depth finder. And the cuddy cabin. Let me turn the light on here. Hold on.